Welcome, intrepid wanderers and seekers of wonder. This is your invitation to experience Lake Tyrrell, Victoria's celestial canvas. In the heart of southern Australia, where the land meets the sky, a timeless journey awaits you on this vast salt lake. Step lightly onto a surface carved by nature over 120,000 years, where every grain tells a story. Imagine a landscape sculpted by time and climate, a place where ancient forces have left their indelible mark. Once a mighty body of water, now transformed by the ebb and flow of time, leaving behind a crystalline salt bed. During winter, a delicate film of about 5 centimeters of water unveils a magical mirror reflecting the endless Australian sky. Named after Wergaya word for sky, Lake Tyrrell honors the Burong Aboriginal people's rich astronomical heritage. Stand in awe as the vast expanse of 18,000 hectares stretches before you, a playground for both nature and imagination. Here, nature's inhabitants, mallee reptiles, kangaroos, and emus, move gracefully against a backdrop of stark beauty. The ancient footprints of explorers who first witnessed the surreal interplay of earth and sky. Now, as the season shifts, an unexpected twist draws travelers from every corner of the globe. Enthralled by the mirror-like surface, visitors come to capture moments where their reflections merge with the heavens. In winter, the lake transforms into an ethereal portal where water, salt, and sky unite. Imagine your heart skipping a beat as you discover that this salt plain is not merely a backdrop, but a storyteller of nature's secrets. The intricate salt formations on the lake bed, sculpted by time and wind, form a living gallery of natural art. Here, every contour and crevice whispers tales of a world both ancient and alive. As dusk falls, the horizon blurs, merging day into night in a cinematic sweep of colors and shadows. The setting sun ignites the salt, casting golden hues that dance with the incoming twilight. And then, as night blankets the sky, an unexpected climax unfolds, a celestial performance that defies the ordinary. Under the inky expanse, the southern hemisphere's constellations burst into life, a shimmering tapestry overhead. Feel the whisper of ancient stories as the stars recount the legends of the Burong Aboriginal people. Here, the cosmos and the earth converse in silent poetry, inviting you to listen and reflect. In a breathtaking twist, the lake's reflective surface blurs a line between the heavens and your soul. This moment of pure enchantment transforms the experience into a journey of inner discovery and cosmic connection. The mirror of water and salt now reflects not just the sky, but the very essence of who you are. In that magical interplay of light and darkness, you sense that Lake Tyrrell is a gateway to self-realization. Every ripple and every salt crystal becomes a note in the symphony of nature, urging you to explore deeper. The journey evolves into a dance between reflection and revelation, where past and present harmonize. With each glance upward, the starlit narrative inspires you to question, dream, and create your own legend. The interplay of shadow and light on the salt flats reminds you that beauty thrives in contrasts and moments of change. As dawn edges nearer, the enchantment of the night leaves a lingering warmth in your heart. The first light of day gently reveals that every ending holds a promise of a new beginning. With a soul enriched by starlight and ancient echoes, you carry the magic of Lake Tyrrell within you. In this serene realm, where the celestial and terrestrial coalesce, nature reaffirms the timeless connection we share with the universe. Depart with gratitude and wonder, forever changed by the celestial symphony of Lake Tyrrell, a journey of reflection, mystery, and renewal.